discuss about macroeconomic MCQ. There is a macroeconomic MCQ part 1. First MCQ, macroeconomy was named by A. Adam Smith, B. David Ricketts, C. Richard Price, D. James Keynes. The answer is option C. Richard Price. Second, the point of interaction of aggregate supply curve and aggregate demand curve is known as the point. जो सप्लाई कर्व होता है और डिमांड कर्व इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, इफेक्टिव डिमांड कर्व. Third, which of these the result into increase the circular flow income? A. Increase in saving of household. B. Increase in taxes. C. Increase in export. D. Increase in import. The answer is option C, increase in export. That is a result of circular flow income. अगर सर्कुलर फ्लो अच्छा इन द ईयर मैक्रो इकोनॉमी, दैट्स द इंक्रीज द कंट्री से एक्सपोर्ट. Fourth, which of these the statement is the correct? A. The difference between GNP MP and GNP FC is because of net indirect taxes. B. Difference between the GNP and NNP because of NFI. C. Difference between personal income. C. Difference between the personal income and personal disposable income arise because of social security contributions. D. The difference between GNP and GDP arise due to the depreciation on capital goods. Answer is option A. The difference between GNPMP and GNPFC is because the net indirect taxes. That is a correct statement. Fifth, which of these is the postulation of classical economy? A. Economy has actually trade towards full employment. B. There is the perfect price wage of flexibility. C. Monetary as nature. D. All of the above. The answer is option D. All of the above. Economy has natural tendency toward full employment, perfect price wage flexibility, and money is the natural. Sixth, which of the following strong assumption of the classical economic? A. Says a lot of market. B. Principle of effective demand, government interactions. None of the above. The answer is option A. Says the law of the market is a strong assumption for classical economy. That is a strong assumption. 7. The principle of effective demand was given by. तो प्रिंसिपल इफेक्टिव डिमांड किसने दिया था? A. GV से. B. GM Keynes. C. GR Hicks. D. GS Mary. The answer is option B. GM Keynes ने give the principle of the effective demand theory. 8. Aggregate supply price refer to proceed blank from the sale of the output proceed at the particular level employment. A. Rejected. B. Necessary. C. Expected. D. Completed. The answer is option B. Necessary. The aggregate supply price refer that is a proceed is the necessary from the sale of output proceed. 9. In labor market equilibrium, when the employer employ additional labor, the marginal physical product will be A. Decrease. B. Increase. C. Constant. D. None of the above. The answer is option A. Decrease. The labor market equilibrium, the employ additional labor, marginal philosophy is the decrease. What are the real flow in the circular flow? Income: A. Factor income. B. Payment of goods and service. C. Government direct and indirect tax. D. Labor service to business sector. The answer is option D. Labor service to the business sector is the real flow in the circular flow of income. 11. Which of the following will be not treated in the estimated national income? इनमें से कौन सा पॉइंट इट इज़ नॉट रेटेड इन द एस्टिमेटेड नेशनल इनकम? ए. ट्रांसफर पेमेंट. बी. परचेज ऑफ न्यू कार. सी. कमीशन ऑन रीसेल ऑफ द ओल्ड हाउस. डी. वेजेस टू लेबर. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. ट्रांसफर payments is the will be not rated is the estimated national income. 12. GDP MP, gross domestic products market price, is equal to blank plus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad. तो ब्लैंक में क्या आएगा? ए. NDPMP. बी. NNPMP. सी. GDPFC. डी. NDPFC. The answer is option B. NNPFC plus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad. You will get the GDPMP, gross domestic product. 13. According to classical economy, in the long run, market economy is always equilibrium because A. Value of total production is equal to cost of production. B. Cost production is equal to factory income. C. Factor income total expenditure. D. All of the above. The answer is option D. All of the above. 14. Macroeconomy is also known as A. Theory of income and employment. B. Theory of economic growth. C. Theory of general price and inflation. D. Theory of distribution. The macroeconomic known as answer is option A. Theory of income and employment. Theory of income and employment. 15. Voluntary unemployment means A. Potential workers are not willing to work at the prevailing wages rate. B. Rich people not willing to work. C. Workers go to strike for higher wages. D. All of the above. The answer is option D. All of the above. Voluntary unemployment means potential worker not willing to work and rich people not willing to work. Worker is go to strike for the higher wages. मीन्स कि यहाँ पर वर्कर को द स्ट्रिक्टली बट कैसे दैट इज़ अ हायर वेजेस चाहिए और जो पैसे वाले दैट इज़ अ रिच पीपल दैट इज़ अ नॉट विलिंग टू वर्क वो वर्क अच्छे से नहीं करते दैट इज़ यू गिव द हाई सैलरी बट एंड पोटेंशियल वर्कर दैट इज़ अ नॉट वर्क एट द प्रिवेलिंग वेजेस रे जो वेज रहे उस वेज पे वो काम करने के लिए दैट इज़ अ नॉट वर्क. Simply, voluntary unemployment means that you can see about that is a work, but really that is a no any work. 16. According to classical economy, equilibrium can be derived by A. Flexible wages rate. B. Flexible price of goods and service. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The answer is option C. Both A and B. Flexible wages rate and flexible price of goods and service. 17. Keynes theory of the income and employment. There is an underemployment equilibrium in the economy due to A. Fixed wages rate in short run. B. Lack of effective demand. C. Fixed price of goods and service. the flat flexible in the price? The answer is option B, lack of effective demand. 18. Aggregate demand price is a total cost of production, B total expect sales received, C total quantity production in economy, D average price of all basket of goods and service. The answer is option B, total expected sales received. 19. According to Keynes, A. Labor supply depend on real wage rate. B. Labor supply depend on the money wages rate. C. Labor supply depend on production activity. D. None of the above. The answer is option A. Labor supply depend real wage rate. 20. In the order of maintaining price stability, classical economists advocated A. Stability of money demand, B. Stability of money supply, C. Stability of rate of interest, D. Stability of saving. The answer is option B. Stability of money supply. 21. Net national product does not include. The option A, indirect business tax, B, depreciation charge, C, corporate income tax, D, return volume household. The answer is option A, indirect business tax does not include the net national product. That is include. 22. A major part of country output is normal used for. The answer is option A, private consumption. 23. Expenditure of defense is the item of public investment. Answer is a public investment. Expenditure is a defensive and the public investment. 24. National product at the factory cost is also known as national income. Answer is option B. 25. Double counting means A. Counting a product more than once, B. Counting a product at the final stage of output process, C. Counting both as the product and as the factor payment, D. Counting both the real goods and as the money flow. The answer is option A. Double counting is the counting a product more than once. 26. In the simple economy, national income is equal to disposable income. The answer is option C, equal to disposable income. 27. Monetary deficit is the A. Government deficit payment debenture, B. RBI deficit of the outstanding due, C. Net RBI credit to the central government, D. Difference between the government payment and receipt the monitoring. The answer is option C, net RBI credit to the central government. 28. Stagflation is a period of high inflation and low unemployment. The answer is option D, both A and B, high inflation and low unemployment. 29. Customs duty is an instrument of fiscal policy. The answer is option C, fiscal policy. There is a custom duty in the instrument. 13. Increase in the net RBI credit to central government is a reflected blank deficiency. A. Budget, B. Monetization, C. Revenue, D. Gross primary. The answer is option D, gross primary. 31. Colburn is defines inflation as too much money chasing too few goods. The answer is option A, too much money chasing to few goods. 32. The rise in the prices and phenomena in inflations are interrelated. The answer is option C. Rise in the prices, the phenomena inflations are the interrelated. 33. Which of the following is the not included in the disposable income? A. Business transfer payment. C. Corporate dividends. C. Social security benefit. D. Personal income tax. The answer is option D. Personal income tax is not included in the disposable income. 34. Double counting means the counting is the same value the more than one time. 35. Transfer payment include the old age pension. 36. The national income of India instantly by the A. NCAR, B. Planning Commission, C. Indian Statistical Institute, D. Central Statistical Organization. The answer is option D. Central Statistical Organization. 37. Which of the following at the leakage from the circular flow spending and the injection into circular spending stream? The answer is option B. Saving and investment. That is the circular flow stream. 38. Which of the following is the example of flow variable? A. Change of money supply. B. Consumer price index. C. Foreign exchange service. D. Gross capital stock. The answer is option A. Change in money supply. 39. National income does not include the A. Interest on unproductive national debts. B. Income from the government expenditures. C. Payment of household to G from purchase of goods and service. D. Undistribution profit. The answer is option A. Interest on unproductive national debt does not include the national income. 14. Transferment referred to payment made without and quid pro quo. The answer is option A. 41. According to classical economists, A. Stress on long run equilibrium. B. Automatic adjustment work. C. Champion of laissez faire policy. D. All of these. The above answer is all of the above. 42. The total demand for goods and service in the economy is known as aggregate demand. Answer is option A. 43. An increase in real wage will A. Shift demand for labor schedule the right. B. Shift of the demand the labor schedule to left. Increase the C quantity to labor demand. D. Decrease the quantity of labor demand. The answer is option D. In the increase the real wage will the decrease the quantity of labor demand. जब wage raise is increase होता है तब quantity of labor demand is a decrease. 44. The basic difference between classical model and Keynes model is the assumption of rigid money, which is the answer is option A. 45. Withdrawal lead to reduction in the size of circular flow. The answer is option B. 46. Flow the factor of productions from the household sector The business sector is A. Money flow, B. Real flow, C. Income flow, D. Expenditure flow. The answer is option B. Real flow. 47. Which of the following cannot be considered as the factor income? A. Wages, B. Rent, C. Interest, D. Capital. The answer is option D. Capital is the cannot be considered as a factor income because there is a property of the people. 48. Concept of the real wage and the money wage are important for studying A. Classical theory of wages determination, B. Money insertion, C. Wages reject. The answer is option D. All of the above. 49. Double counting leads A. Underestimate of national product, B. Overestimate of national product, and C. Distortion national product, D. None of the above. The answer is option B. Double counting leads to overestimation national product. 15. To remove inequalities, the government used